The Workbench exists as a platform to support the mission of the Alliance and the diverse data management and data science needs of the individual driver projects. COVID-19 presents an enormous societal and health challenge affecting every corner of the world. Open science is at the heart of how the Alliance is responding to this challenge, and the Workbench is following those principles from a technology and service perspective. Key to the success of the Alliance is the effective sharing of data, metadata, results, and methods. The Workbench accommodates multiple approaches to establishing trusted data sharing, allowing data contributors to share their data in a centralized, distributed, or federated model. The framework for data sharing is built on the work of the Global Alliance for Genomics and Health and available in GitHub as an open source project. The data sharing approach is the decision of the data controller, driven by their governance requirements and the technical infrastructure they have available. We know driver projects will be very diverse. The planned outcomes, the mix of data, the governance arrangements for the data, and the requirements from the science team. The Workbench provides function and flexibility in two key areas: discovering data and working with data. Through the lens of a science team starting a driver project, one of the earliest questions is what data is available and will it be useful for my project? We want to provide a good search and metadata analysis experience at the front end of a project to allow the team to make an early decision as to whether they pursue a data access request. We know data access can take time, so let's make sure that what's available is worth pursuing. The Workbench provides metadata discovery and data access request capabilities, as well as syndicating out to other data repositories throughout the world, such as the HDR Gateway in the UK. Once data is authorized as available and accessible, a driver project team can start working with the data through a workspace. A workspace is a safe, secure sandbox where curated data relevant to the driver project is made available and team members invited by the project lead. Driver project users can explore the data and run a range of biomedical stats functions. These packages are written in R, and code is available to further develop within the workspace, publish, and reuse. For users with more specialist requirements, virtual machines can be provisioned, allowing scripts, code, analysis pipelines, and other licensed tools to be brought within the secure boundary of the workspace. At all times, we're adhering to the open science principles of the Alliance, the use of open source software, and GDPR as the framework for governance. We want to make it easy for driver project users to share their results with a wide cross-section of stakeholders. Our Shiny apps are an embedded feature within the workspace, allowing templated analysis apps to be quickly constructed. Driver project users can take their data, methods, and results and build interactive visualizations very quickly from a range of Our Shiny templates provided. Projects can import containerized third-party applications into a secure workspace environment. This allows the community to utilize already existing statistical apps, as well as writing and publishing their own. Results can be exported from the workspace through an airlock facility requiring authorization from the driver project lead. All transactions through the lifecycle of a driver project are captured and made available to project stakeholders. Our objective is to build an ecosystem of participants that can contribute data, code, expertise, and analysis methods to efficiently tackle the breadth of questions surrounding COVID-19. We want to encourage open collaboration and an environment that encourages adaptive analysis, building on previous results.